Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to check for the system updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, and then we can enter the system settings. So let's tap. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find system updates. Let's tap on it. As you can see, here we've got the information about it. Let's check for the update, and I think you should do it more frequently than this. So all we have to do is to tap on check update, and of course, thanks to the internet connection, your device will show you the information whether there is something to download or not. As you can see, in my case, it is not. Basically, you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where you cannot really see any kind of information about the new update, and that means that you actually cannot download anything. And the second scenario is when your device will show you the new version to download. It will show you the information about it and all of the info which are required. Then you will be simply able to tap on download or install, and your device will install the new update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.